Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto and tech reviews. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the Guarda mobile wallet. In this Guarda mobile wallet review, I'll share my user experience and offer a comprehensive look at its features. You'll find helpful product links in the description below. The Guarda mobile wallet stands out as a non-custodial, multi-currency wallet specifically designed for individuals who need a streamlined way to manage a diverse cryptocurrency portfolio directly from their smartphones. Known for its clean and intuitive interface and its compatibility with a wide array of cryptocurrencies, the Guarda wallet is a reliable mobile solution that effectively balances security and convenience. Guarda supports an impressive portfolio of over 400,000 assets, encompassing major players like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, and a vast selection of altcoins. This extensive support makes it an excellent choice for both seasoned crypto traders and enthusiastic newcomers alike. A key strength of the Guarda wallet lies in its impressive versatility. Its multi-blockchain support allows you to consolidate your entire crypto portfolio within a single application. From my personal experience, the app is remarkably user-friendly, featuring a simple and straightforward setup process centered around generating a secure recovery phrase for robust wallet backup. This streamlined onboarding makes it incredibly accessible for beginners, while seasoned users will undoubtedly appreciate the integrated exchange and convenient staking functionalities. Furthermore, the Guarda wallet incorporates a built-in Web3 browser, enabling you to interact directly with decentralized applications, DApps, right from the app itself. This is particularly useful for users actively engaged with DeFi or NFT platforms. Security is paramount with Guarda. As a non-custodial wallet, it guarantees you retain complete control over your private keys and, consequently, your funds. The wallet employs biometric authentication and allows for a custom PIN code for enhanced security. Your private keys are encrypted locally on your device, providing peace of mind knowing your assets are secure without compromising usability. The Guarda wallet's built-in exchange functionality allows for seamless and rapid crypto swaps directly within the app, eliminating the need for external platforms and streamlining your trading experience. The Guarda mobile wallet is ideally suited for users seeking a robust and secure wallet that remains easy to navigate while also offering advanced features such as staking and effortless asset swapping. It's especially well-suited for crypto traders, DeFi enthusiasts, and anyone looking to efficiently manage a large and varied token portfolio from their mobile device. In conclusion, the Guarda mobile wallet strikes an excellent balance between security, user-friendliness, and comprehensive multi-asset support, making it a leading choice for managing your cryptocurrency on the go. For more information and to download the wallet, check out the links provided in the description below.